What's up? We're back. Episode number, I don't know, I can't count that high. But we're back, and today I'm going to tell you one of the best ways, in my opinion, to cook freaking enchilada chicken for like your burritos, burrito bowls, lunches, nachos, whatever kind of food you want. Super simple, easy. You gotta have an Instant Pot or a crock pot, one or the other. You're gonna be okay either way. It's not bad. With the Instant Pot, it's a lot faster than the crock pot, so keep that in mind. But hey, let's jump right into this with this enchilada chicken. Now you can really use any part of the chicken you're feeling. I've done this with chicken thighs, chicken breasts, chicken tenders. Just go with whatever's cheapest. This is simple meat for any dish, so there's no real reason to spend a bunch of money on like some fancy cut of meat. I was like, for example, one record chicken wings. Those are great for being chicken wings. Don't do this with chicken wings, okay? But yeah, today we're gonna be doing boneless, skinless chicken. Sanders Farms. I know, not the greatest company, but it's what we got and it was on sale, so sometimes we gotta make do. Now, you know this old song and dance here. We're gonna frickin' start it up, put it on the old brown and sear option, and we're gonna put some oil in here, let it heat up, and we'll do a little golden brown action on that chicken. Now, we got that chicken in there. It's a start in there, like I'll give you a quick sneak peek. So as you got that chicken in there, it's starting to cook. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Pete Boy Classic here, and a little bit of garlic powder. Nothing too crazy. We're just adding a little flavor right now. We'll get into the main ingredientes in a second. I'm going to add some salt and pee to this, and I'll be right back. Very nice. This is a bad dog little mix. Get some other size coated. Oh yeah. We're cooking with Crisco or oil. I'm using I think canola oil in here. I don't know if it really matters. Unless you are connoisseur. Flip. You might want to use a flipping tool for this. Well, we're not worried about this getting too brown. We're just gonna get a little cookage on here, a little flavor. Like I said, we're not going too over brownage. We'll give this like about another. Ooh, that's hot. Another minute and a half, and then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients and get this thing cooking on. Oh man, now we got this chicken done, I'm gonna add some spices. So now we got the chicken, like, it's cooking, it gets a little brown to it. It doesn't have to be cooked all the way through. The Instant Pot is gonna do more than enough time to do that. But we got a little cayenne pepper, a little kick to it. This can be completely left out. My wife likes it a little spicy, and I can enjoy a little spice here and there, you know. It doesn't have to be overwhelming. Now, I got like half a thing of chicken broth here. Like I said, I hate measuring things out. It's gotta be to feel, you know? So yeah, chicken broth. Nothing real fancy about it. You could do low sodium. I don't think it really matters, but about half. This is just adding flavor, giving it a little something to steam it up with, you know? And hey, you can experiment and not even put this in. Every time I've made this, I put it in. Maybe one day I'll try without it. But for now, on the next ingredient. Now here we got the Kroger Special Las Palmas green chili enchilada sauce. And it's the big can, you know. It's the 1 pound can. Hey, you could do some reps with this thing. But yeah, you could maybe use less. You could use something else. You could use the red one if you want. But I'm just gonna go ahead. Keep it simple. Why measure? Just put the whole thing in there. It's not that expensive, and this is going to last you like a whole week worth of meals. So splurging a little bit for some sauce isn't a big deal. We're going to go ahead and just mix around what we have currently. Oh, yeah. That smells like enchilada chicken right there. And we're going to add in these freaking hot chilies. Ortega. That's one can. You know, it's the flavor, okay? We're not really going for major ingredients here. We're going for flavor profile. And we're going to take about 1 onion roughly chopped. Throw it right in there. Don't worry about the tear. It's not part of it, man. A little extra. And we're going to hit with some of that smoked paprika. And you know, when you're using smoked paprika, you got to do the paprika sound. Paprika. Let's just add a little color and smoky flavor. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this here chicken. I shit you not. This is as complicated as it is, okay? This is what currently looks like. It's, yeah, but here's what we got to do next. We're going to go ahead and stop this here browning simulation. And we're going to go ahead and throw this on El Chicane, which is number 6. So easy peasy. Start that bad dog up. Grab this here little Rama. Lock and load, baby. Make sure that venting is closed. And boom. That's basically, you're almost done with the chicken. There's just a little bit left at the end. Once it's done cooking, we'll do a little shredding action and kind of reduce the sauce a little bit and throw that chicken back in there. But yeah, I'll catch up back with you when that chicken's done. All right, our chicken did just finish. I heard the beeper go off, but it's not done yet. Don't be impatient here, okay? This is where the magic happens. Now, see, you gotta wait till this here thing is all the way down. The pressure just goes off by itself. It'll take like an extra, I don't know, like 10, 15 minutes. But let it sit there, be patient, because it's worth the wait. Oh yeah, see, everything's, the timer's off. You can see this doohickey is down. Just check for extra steam. We are vented. There shouldn't be no pressure. All right, time for the chicken reveal. Oh, there we go. There's the lid. Look at that. You can't see anything. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and try to fish out the chicken. I'll slap it on the cutting board so we can get some sauce reduction. On second thought, I'm going to put it in a bowl. Now, where is the chicken? Oh, that is one beautiful piece. Oh, you don't have to worry about getting all the stuffs out. That's going to just add to that sauce flavor. Now, for this here sauce reduction, we're going to do the famous number 9. Get that brown sear. It's going to start bubbling off. We'll be able to get this oil layer off. We don't want that in there. It adds too much fat, in my opinion. So I'll show you what I do for the oil there. And then now let's get the chicken shredded. Now for shredding chicken, I'm going to use these 2 forks and just kind of pull everything apart. And yeah, watch this movie magic here. Yeah, freaking boom. All right, look at that. Oh, we got some beautiful steam coming off there. And now our sauce is heating up. Let's go check on that. All right, we got the sauce here. You can see the oils all around the edges here. I'm just going to take a spoon and kind of skim off that oil there. Doesn't matter if we get some of the sauce, but I'm just going to put it in a jar in the sink. But yeah, we're going to just keep skimming this till there's none left. Boom, after that skimming, it's going to look something like this with your sauce configuration. We'll just, once that some more condenses, we'll scoop it out, but having a little bit's not going to hurt anything. And then we're just going to let this here reduce to for like, I don't know, like 10 minutes or something. And then once it's down a little bit thicker, we'll add the chicken back in there. Get some flavor flav mixed in with that shredded goodness. All right, I think the sauce has reduced a decent amount. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to go ahead and take our chicken of wonder here and put it in. All right, that chicken's in there. Look at that, soaking up all them juices so it's no longer dry. But yeah, simple, easy chicken recipe. Great for a bunch of different dishes. Yeah, we'll do a quick taste test here. Let me grab a piece. Oh yeah, that's glorious. Nice, simple. Great chicken. But yeah, if you guys made it this far, I really appreciate you watching the video. And give it a try. Let me know how it tastes. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace out, homies.